Straight on, par 3, overlooks the water. I got a 6-iron in hand. It's playing about 170, 180 in the back. It's a white flag middle, so there's some wind. I'm gonna just try and smack it up there. I want to use a 9 and an 8, but I don't want to land short. I'm afraid that this wind is gonna keep it to land short. So we got a 6. Trying to give it a nice whack. Get to it. Oh, no way. It was right at it. Back. You can feel the wind. Wow. I didn't bring my pin, so I mean, there's probably zero break whatsoever. Wow! Come on, guys. It was right there. Perfect. That was awesome. Easy putt. Felt good. Felt amazing. But that is okay. But a bogey on a par 3 is not, actually.